everyone. It's sunny day, so I go for a walk. Look, there are many flowers along the road. It's comfort. Kingang. In Japan, we used it for a long time to prevent cough and sore throat. Oh, there's a sign. Don't leave dog poo here. Colorful carpet shop. Wow, it's a handicraft shop. Come, let's take a look inside. What are you doing? She is making a mask. It's nice, so I bought one. And then I sprayed with waterproof spray to protect from droplets. Leave it for 15 minutes, then iron it. You should do it like this twice. I did it! Look, waterproof! After you use it, wash it in warm water and dry it like this. It's nice, very softly. The other day, I went there again to buy a new one, and I saw she made another mask. It's interesting. Let's take a look. When I came back home, I spray and iron it the same as I did before. I did it! But this time I put some medical gauze to protect more. Look, yeah! It's really worked. You should do it. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day. Bye. Nancy Kamata. See you.